Hey guys, Apathy here. So today I'll be showing you guys how to get your string key for OBS. This is an updated tutorial. I last made one in 2018, but I wanted to update it, so here we go. First of all, you're gonna go to Google, and then you're gonna go to YouTube. You're gonna go to your channel icon, your channel. You're gonna click Customize Channel. Then you're gonna go ahead and click up here, Create, Go Live, and then you're gonna click Next. And then you're gonna reveal this and then copy it, minimize this, go to OBS. You're gonna go to File, Settings, Stream, Server, YouTube, and then you're gonna go ahead and paste your string key, click Apply, and then click OK. And then yeah, there you go, you're set for streaming. So that's about it for this video. Like and favorite if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Also, go make sure to check out my song. I uploaded it right before this, just an hour before this, so go check that out. Anyway, that'll be a link in the description. Anyway, yeah, bye.